let's just summarize. We have ref, swiper, okay? We have loop. What do you mean by loop? Is when we are looping, when we are in standstill, the loop should not, the images should not go automatically. They should go when either you are clicked on them or you go next, like that. Index is current index, and you see now what we are talking about. It is current index here that we have seen. But here we can see the index for the platform. It is just set current index. And nothing that we are going to discuss much. But the slide view is starting from 1, right? Preview is 1. Even that one is the one that comes first. But set current after swiper, it is knows you are about to go to the next, and that next it is which is going to be meant active, and styles here will be taken from the CSS. All right, so that is the difference between this, because this one it is should be the current one, index current index. So if you want to set the index now, you just say on a change, or on index changed. If index is changed from 1 to 2, then you can call this index, and then you set it to current 1, and then you can whatever it is index that is in, you now bring it to current index. And here, let me compare this, and here you can see the swiper. Whatever the swiper is on slide or on current, you set that swiper, but you and also active index. That is on the difference.